So MagrowTec can be used in many, potentially many ag and non-ag areas. Our focus is in ag at the moment. So we have our cornerstone flagship boom product. We've developed a product for greenhouses. We're working with an OEM at the moment on that. We're working behind the scenes on irrigation and indeed air blast. And the question you were asking me is about air blast technology, which is used in vineyards. It's used in the nut industry, citrus industry. There are different sprayer types and there's many manufacturers. So there's a lot of complexity. So what we are doing is we wanted to be masters of the boom, get the revenue, get customers using it, get confidence, brand awareness, partnerships, and then start building out these new products and applications. And so currently we have development teams in both France and in our research teams working on our air blast product. And so I'd give it maybe another 12 to 24 months and we hope to be launching our air blast product. And beyond that, we'll have other products in irrigation, drone application, crop dusters, and other agriculture applications. And further down the line, irrigation and non-ag areas.